In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade in and out video and audio in Canva. By the end, you'll have smooth visual and sound transitions that feel polished and professional, all using Canva's built-in tools. Start by opening Canva and heading to the video editor. Choose a video template that matches your project's aspect ratio, like 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for vertical content. Templates give you a ready-made layout, but you can always tweak colors, fonts, and timing later. Next, insert your media. Add your main video to the canvas and bring in your audio track. You can upload files from your computer or pick from Canva's library. If your music is already attached to the video, don't worry, you can separate it in a moment. Open the Pages panel so you're focused on the page you want to animate. With the video selected, click Animate in the top toolbar. From the animation options, choose Fade. This creates a clean, subtle transition that works for most styles. To make the clip fade both at the beginning and the end, select the option to apply the effect to both. Then adjust the animation speed. A faster speed gives you a quick fade for snappier edits, while a slower speed creates a gentler, more cinematic transition. Preview as you go to make sure the timing feels natural with your content. Return to the Pages view so you can work with your audio. Click the audio track on the timeline to select it. If your audio is embedded in the video, right-click the video and choose Extract Audio. This separates the soundtrack so you can control it independently. With the audio selected, click Fade in the audio controls. You'll see sliders for fade in and fade out. Move these to set the duration for how long the music takes to ramp up at the start and taper off at the end. For energetic content, a short fade, around half a second to a second, keeps momentum. For a softer tone, try 2 to 3 seconds. Match the audio fade to the feel of your video fade so the start and ending feel cohesive. Finally, click Preview to watch everything together. Pay attention to the first and last few seconds. If the visuals look smooth, but the music comes in too abruptly, lengthen the audio fade in. If the video fades out before the music, extend the audio fade out or slow the video animation slightly. A couple of small tweaks will dial it in. That's it. With these settings, your video and audio will fade in and out seamlessly, giving your project a refined finish.